Guys, so guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to do a wig tutorial. I've never wore a wig before, so this is going to be quite interesting. I haven't even watched like a full detail wig video. I've literally just been scrolling through my Instagram, and you know, with Instagram and how everything's set up, if you look at one thing, then like 5 million other things are popping up. So I just see all these wig videos and I'm just like, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm about to put on a wig for y'all. This is a big deal because I've never worn a wig before, and you know, wigs is the next big thing. So you know, I'm trying to, you know, make my way up in there, you feel me? So let's get this tutorial started. I am so excited. So if you are interested to see how I pull off putting on my own wig for the first time, then stay tuned. All right, so I think I got what I need, you know, according to, you know, what I was seeing. It got to be glue, spray. I got a wig cap. I got my wig. And I got some scissors. So I'm going to just push my hair back. Oh God, I have my hands up and I don't even know if my ass shaved underbits. Alright, I'm gonna try to make my hair flat. I'm gonna do a little braid situation. Gonna wrap it around. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna open up this wig cap. Okay, so they give you two. I look like I'm finna rob the bank. You guys, y'all need to wish me luck, okay? Because I don't know what I'm doing. It says that you have to press down on Accutator to release spray. Apply 8 to 12 inches away from your hair. Create your own individual style. Spray this. First of all, this is cold. This is a cold spray. I don't know why nobody don't make no facial expressions when they put this on. It's cold as hell. I really have no idea what I'm doing, if what I'm doing is supposed to be right. Okay. I know like you're supposed to get a blow dryer for this part and press it down. So now that that's blow dried down, I guess I'm going to cut this. So now that I cut, you know, the stocking cap, I'm not too sure if I cut it to where I'm supposed to, but let's see what this wig's about. So I got this wig from Amazon, from Xiweya. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I got like this cute pink pastel wig. And honestly, this is my first time opening it. I haven't removed anything. Give you a little thank you card. Oh, they actually give you a hairnet wig. I didn't know. I just wanted to be prepared, and I got my own. So let's see. This is a synthetic wig. It's pretty thick. This was $35, like I said. Let me remove this. And this is what the wig looks like. Now, I know some people like to put, what is it, like foundation on their lace. Is that what it is? This looks like it's kind of like my complexion, so I'm gonna see if I even need to do that. I honestly don't even know how to put a wig on. So please bear with me. Alright, so I see my stocking cap like right here. I'm gonna move this up a notch. I have no idea what to do next. Alright, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna cut a little bit more off because my hair is showing a little bit. Well, this cap is showing a little bit. Maybe this is the part that I do the foundation thing. Oh no. I feel weird putting foundation on my head. Like, is this what I'm supposed to be doing? Okay, so this is the front. This is the front. I'm gonna put some foundation like right here. That's gonna be like the part area. I'm using my good foundation. I really shouldn't. Over here wasting it on some wig. Lightly apply this up against the hairline. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. Let it dry. I'm gonna use this Got to Be ultra glued. Oh no. I honestly don't know how much I'm supposed to put on this glue. I just feel like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't. You know, I'm just going off by the videos I see. This glue and my foundation. Or maybe I'm supposed to put it on top. Maybe I'm supposed to put it on top of the cap. Yeah, maybe that makes more sense. To put it on top so it could stay once I put it on. So now this wig, let's get into this wig. About to put this bad boy on. Alright, I'm gonna get this blow dryer on and dry this glue. I just want to let you know that this feels mushy. I feel a little gooey. Alright, so what to do now? I guess we're gonna cut this wig. I need a hair clip. First of all, I don't know how these people be cutting these laces all fast and whatnot. Shit. This is stressful. This Got to Be glue gel is no joke, okay? I put a little bit too much on my face and it's stuck. So apparently I have to keep cutting the lace. So I'm gonna just keep cutting. Just know I have no type of cutting coordination. Like, my cutting looks disgusting. Alright guys, I'm back. Worked on, you know, cutting up the lace. I'm literally finagling this whole lace wig, you know, situation. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I believe. And when you believe, you can achieve. May the Lord say hallelujah. You gotta lay down them edges. Alright. This color looks kind of nice on my skin complexion or whatever. So, I know I be seeing like the girls like They be like getting like the first, I guess the first strands of hair. I guess this is like the baby hair part to create some type of illusion of baby hairs. Alright, got my toothbrush. I'm gonna, attempt to do some baby hairs, I guess you can say. Alright, so I still have some of like my black hair that you can see. I feel like I did this one good, like this side looks good. So I want to cover up my baby hair. I'm going to take my Zoeva Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna use this Better Start. It's like a off-white. And I'm gonna just apply this on my scalp. I feel like when people color their hair like these like ash blonde colors, like usually their root is usually like the lightest because the bleach. Alright, now I believe it has this little middle part that you can like barely see. So I'm wondering if I should pluck the part. I don't know if that made a difference, but I'm gonna comb this hair out and cut it a bit because it's a little bit too long. Now guys, I don't know how to cut, but what I do know is that when I do see people cut, they do cut in an angle so it doesn't look too botched up. So I recommend cutting slanted and then going down. Alright, so I'm gonna just comb out this hair. It is a little sheddy, but that's what the reviews said, so I wasn't gonna, that's another reason why I cut the hair. I honestly didn't even want the hair to be that long. I'm cutting up the long strands that's just like, hanging in there. Let's see if this is even. This side looks like it's a little longer. Voila! Lips are pretty ashy. So Brandon, which is like my best friend, he's also on YouTube too. Go ahead and check out his page. It's Brandon Cross. He told me that sometimes when you have a wig and it's not completely flat, he did mention to grab a steamer. So I got my steamer. I'm gonna see what this is about. He said to just steam. What? Okay, I think I put it way too close, but it went down. Yeah, I almost burnt my scalp. That was hilarious. Okay, but as you can see, don't apply it. Don't apply it directly to the scalp. I'm pretty sure that's not what he told me to do. But that bad boy did go down. So shout out to you, Brandon, for giving me that tip. And this is the final look of the wig. How'd y'all think I did? I think I did a pretty good job. The wig is secured. It ain't going nowhere, okay? I do think that, putting the foundation on you know, underneath the wig helps, so it makes it look like it's a little bit more realistic. You know, I did put my little white shadow on the front, but this is how it looks, guys. What are your thoughts? Did I do a good job? This is my first wig. I'm about to be out here wigalicious, out here being a new bitch. So I got this wig for $35. I'm gonna put everything down in the description box. This is the hair. Well, if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see me do some other type of hair wig, you know, review, or if you want to see more hair videos, you know, let your girl know. I hope you guys like this wig of mine, you know, it's a new wig. This is something big, okay? Thank you for stopping in my channel. Bye.